Hi folks, it's Thursday afternoon. We got rained out this morning, so we decided to make an afternoon trip. It's going to be Big Rudy and me. Earl was supposed to be with us this morning, but like I said, we got rained out. Then we're going to load the Bay Flat Senior up and head on out, see what we can find. Hope I don't drop my camera. Now that's a drop off, folks. That is a drop off. Right here. That's where the trout usually hang at. Right, this little hump right here. Right there. You fish up and down that drop off. Put your boat over here, you fish up it. Go over here, you fish down it. 17, 18 feet of water. Beautiful. That's a good sign, folks. The little white birds are feeding along the shoreline like that. That's a damn good sign. It's 12:22. We're going out for an afternoon fishing trip out here at Delacroix. Alright folks, they turned on quick. He's got one right here. I got one right here. We're doing the Oak River Troll. We hit the honey hole 2 at a time. Pretty. I'm gonna let him fight his in. Mine ain't going nowhere.
Our first stop didn't produce anything, guys, so we moved over to a different little spot. Probably a good 24 to 25 with that.
Croaking his butt off. There he is. Oh, crab, look at the crab. Crab fighting the redfish. He spit up a redfish. A crab.
Really?
Yeah. Thing spit up a crab. Crab's hurt. I just got him off. All right, folks, we got to go back to the Oak River Troll because tight line wasn't doing nothing. Seems like the Oak River Troll is the thing to do, and that's what we're doing.
Oh, yeah.
Nice one, nice one.
Yeah.
Don't whip him in, he's too big. Yep. Got something, folks. We don't know what it is. Oh, oysters, that's what we're feeling all. Big Rudy got another one, folks. Oak River Troll. Wind's blowing in our face. The tide's coming towards us. And we're doing about 1.0 mile an hour, 1.0 miles per hour.
Come on, baby.
Bouncing them lures just right off the bottom. Fish just make it turn around, but we're doing good. Yeah. All right, nothing now. Oak River Troll, folks. That's all we're doing, the Oak River Troll.
Come on, big guy. All right. Whoa, come on back here now.
Come on, there he is. There he is.
There you go.
You ain't gonna whip him in, huh?
I don't know. I gotta look at him again, see what he looks like. Whoa! I don't think I'm gonna be able to whip him in. Nope.
That's right behind you, bro. Perfumondo. Perfumondo, right in there.
You'll go in the box.
Go in the box. All right.
Yep.
That's another one going in the box. That's number 7. All right, folks. Big Rudy got another one.
Yeah. He's got that pole bent.
I don't think he's going to be a boxer, though. I think it'd be another throwback.
It's a medium heavy rod, guys. Red, I saw the
Oh, yeah. He's a big one.
He is a big boy.
He's a big boy.
He is a big boy.
All right, folks, we got a double header here.
Yeah, he got some strength, this one.
Rudy's got one. I got one.
I don't think he's gonna
There's mine. Big boy. Rudy's still fighting his. See if we can do a double netter here.
It might be a little bit, boss. This one's got energy. Oh yeah. There's a crab floating too. Crab's moving with the tide out there, guys, if y'all can see him.
There he is, he's whipped.
The
Yes,
last one
folks,
so
we got two again. Rudy's got one, I got one. We're gonna get him in. Alright, folks, that's mine. Rudy's still fighting his. Picked out the net. This will be number 2. That's
boy.
a biggie.
Look how gold that sucker is. He was golden. He was golden, buddy.
Oak River Troll, folks.
Look how golden.
Biggie. That's a biggie, folks.
He's a monster. Dang it.
Might be the biggest one of the day here, folks. He is huge. He's whipped. Does it look like a man just lost a $300 rod and reel? He had a fish on it and he put it down to get the grass off of it, and the fish took off, and guess what? Off went his $300 rod and reel. Ron, you hear that, Ron? So he's looking for another one of them, whatever Louis were talking about, Real Joe were talking about. I just had one pop my line, so we're still having fun. What you got, Root? Mine, I think mine was a drum. That's a big old red. Rudy's got a big old red.
Alright, Rudy, keep the pole in your hand this time.
Oh yeah, don't lose that one, boss. We will have to go home. All right, nice one too. Get him, Roo. Get him, Roo.
It's a big one.
Yes, sir. You say you come with us, you got to net your own fish and everything, boss. So, whoop, there it is. Whoop, right in there. There he is, folks. That's Mr. Crab. I don't know if you can see him, but he's right there. He is. That's a nice sized crab. That's a sheephead crab there, folks. Whew. That's spot number 2 right there. Spot number 2. On the other end of this island, spot number 1. Yeah, caught a lot of fish. This is an opening that opened up. This wasn't here years ago. This opening wasn't here. Right at this point up here on the other side, he has 15 feet of water right up against the shoreline. Very beautiful for trout. Spot number 1. Buddy Frederick's brought me there. Spot number 1, folks.